All right, here we are, y'all. This is the Valleyy. See how full it is? As you can look. That's the Valleyy. On the other side of the bike trail, it is completely flooded in. This is our side. Our side, the homeowner's side of Valleyy. On the other side is the bike trail and also the Kagan water treatment. And as you can see, Hurricane Beeryl has already made landfall here. And we're in the Valleyy. Braeburn Valley West, you need to look at this. You need to share it. Because this is our lives depends on this Valleyy. If this Valleyy overflows, it's coming into our neighborhood. And it's toting water all the way from Barker Cypress Highway 6 all the way to part of the Brazos River. And the Brazos River is the largest river in the state of Texas. The Brazos River goes all the way, hooks into the Freeport, Gulf of Mexico, and comes all the way out towards the Sugar Land, all the way out towards Richmond, and it winds up way out there on the other side of El Paso. It is the largest river in the state of Texas. And it is tied into the Gulf of as we can see. That is the Valleyy. Now, as we go around the Valleyy to show you where our neighborhood do get flooded in. Welcome to the Valleyy. Here it is, Valleyy. As we go walking around the Valleyy. As you can see, the water is above the trees. And the water is coming from Highway 6 under the Beltway all the way to Highway 59, all the way to Highway 6. And you say 59, that's 59 and Belford. That's why it will be flooded in. You can guarantee that. And we're going into the Valleyy. Welcome everybody. We'll ride into the Valleyy. See the trees blowing. We got a big wind factor. Ties into the Valleyy once it gets past Gester and Braeburn. As you can see, we're alive. And this is the Valleyy. See the trees? Now we're going to show you where the Valleyy, the Valleyy, ties into. Look at that. It's tearing up. That's that wind factor. And as we could go around, Valleyy. And I can show you where the water seeps into the neighborhood. Welcome everybody to Valleyy and Braeburn Valley again. At Braeburn Valley West, y'all. And as you can see, this is where the water ties into our neighborhood. See, right there is a dip. And when that dip comes through, the water overflows onto this street here. And I will show you. And the trees are blowing. And as you can see, this is going on Google. This is going on YouTube. There it is. And I will show you where the water flows into the neighborhood. And I will show you right there. All right, Braeburn, Valley West. It is June 8th. And we're here with Hurricane Beeryl. Hurricane Beeryl. And right here, you can see, I'm gonna go here and let you see where the water flows into the neighborhood. Give you a close-up shot. See right there, it flows into the neighborhood. And it goes, follow the camera, and it goes all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, and it keeps into the neighborhood. See here, this water here is deep. If cars come out of here, it's going under. And see here, and I know a good friend of mine, Miss Deborah Lundo, Oral Lundo, and the Lundo sisters, their relative lives on this corner, right here, of Willow Meadow, and Plainfield, and their house always get flooded. And as you can see, the water is in the neighborhood. And this street right here is called Tully Drive. Right on the other side is Plainfield, but when it crosses here, it's Tully Drive. See right here is Tully Drive. Let you see what's going on. See, all of that is flooded in. All of that is flooded in. And you're on the corner of Plainfield and Tully, right by the clubhouse. All of those people, see, they had room in their driveway to park, but they were too lazy and didn't have time to park it in the driveway. Now, look what is the result. Their car finna be totally destroyed because the water gonna go over, because the rain ain't stopped, and the water is already up to the door, and a little bit more water, it'll be over the roof of that car, and that car will be flood damage and will be no good, all because they wouldn't park in the driveway. All right, y'all, and there we go to the drive. all of this. And like I say, Oral, Lundo, Linda Lundo, and Deborah Muncie. As I look at this house of the Lundo family, they're kin to the Lundo family. That's Deborah Lundo, Oral Lundo, and Linda Lundo, and their sweet daughter, Greta Lundo. That's their relative's house that always gets flooded in, because right here is the swimming pool water. I call it swimming pool water because it's the water that leads right, follow me. That's the swimming pool. That's the water leads right into the Kagan Valley. And that's where that water comes in, right there. They have no way to block it off. And in result, this is what happened. This is the same thing happened with Hurricane Harvey. And this is Thule Drive. We're going to go down Thule Drive before we end this video. All of this is flooded in. The street of Thule Drive is flooded. And really, it didn't get flooded until you pass the park. Because see, on the other side of the park, it don't get flooded because they don't have that slope like they do over here. Okay, now you can see that water is deep. Okay, now we're going to go down Thule Drive, which is the street I live on. And the street is flooded. See, because most of the water still is going the other way towards Plainfield. The water and the current is going down Thule Drive. So let's go riding down Thule Drive. All of that is flooded. All of that water is deep. Let you know it's deep. That's why I'm not going towards the street, because I know the water is deep. And there's the lady right there. We're live. And as you can see, all of that is flooded in. I'll zoom in so you'll see. Now those people that protected their house and moved their cars up in the driveway. Some people had enough sense to do that. Some people were just lazy and never moved their car. And this is what the result. Like you see that black car sitting over there underwater. And it will go underwater because it's almost up to the keyhole of the door. And water is still coming in from that Kagan Bayou. Let's take a walk. Look at the logs in the street. As we go riding. See how deep that water is? It's deep. It have covered the sidewalk, but it haven't reached the people's house. And we're deep. We're walking into Hurricane now on, they'll start parking their cars in the back. These cars here is totally gunning. There you go. Here we are. See now, it's low here, so the driveway and the water has came up. And the water has got this car. Like I say, they won't park their cars in the driveway. They'd rather park them on the street. And this is the result. See, most of these are renters. And they don't know. They just come over here and think it's easier for them to park on the street. They don't know that it's safer to park the car in the back. But some people are just lazy. And this is what they have to pay for. And we're live. See, all of this is flooded in. All of that is flooded. All is flooded. And we're live. This car is flooded. You got 2 parking spaces back there. If you didn't want to park, and this is what happened. Now he can't. When he could, he would. Now he wants to, but he can't. But that's life, baby. And these are the trees that are coming down. Now we got a tree over here that's getting ready to rot. I don't know when it's gonna come down, but I'm gonna show it to you. And a good friend of mine, I love him to death, Mr. Charlie. His landlord don't want to cut the tree. And look at it. Look at the wind. The wind factor, baby. See, all the limbs are falling down. See, this street is completely flooded in. These people cannot get out. They are stuck like Chuck. And we're live. And the landlord here, he don't want to cut the tree down. So, like they say, a hard head make a soft ass. He got 2 rotten trees here. He don't want to cut them down because he's too busy trying to get the goddamn rent money. And he don't give a damn. Only thing he wants is the rent money. He don't want to invest into these duplexes. It's sad. Okay, see? How the water's coming up. And I will show you. See that rotten tree there? It's finna fall. We're live. See, I told that boy a long time ago, my tennis park is corner on the street, on the driveway. He got a hard head. He got a brand new TMC. Now it's finna get flooded in because he won't listen. And look at that. Look at this rotten tree. This tree should have been cut down. But you think that's something? Look at this tree. The owner will not cut this tree down. Look how rotten this tree is. Look how rotten it is. Now tell me this tree won't fall down. But he won't cut it down. He's too goddamn cheap. place because he's too goddamn busy wanting to rent money. That's one of them African Nigerians. All right, y'all. This is my duplex. I try my best. Try to keep it straight. And as you can see, the water steady rising. Steady rising. Steady rising. This is my tree. See, I cut them trees down 2 years ago because I knew this would happen. This sorry landlord next to me, he ain't finna do a damn thing except collect money. And that tree, it will not fall on my property. And if it do, I'm suing his ass. Okay, and that's my duplex. Alright. That's my tenant truck. I told him to park his car in the back. But he young, he won't listen. Yes, and this is my other tenant. His parents died, Miss Nelson died, and he don't give a goddamn about this house. See, people who don't earn shit, they don't give a damn. Look at this yard. He don't even want to cut it. He don't want to do nothing to this yard. All he want to do is eat, shit, sleep, and go to bed. And as we go around the circle, now we're in this building. There's my Thunderbird. There's my camera. I had to protect it thanks to my neighbor. He is a good neighbor. He let me park my car there. Because my shed, I don't think it would last. I think the wind would blow it down, and when it blew it down, it would damage that Thunderbird and that camera. And there's my Jaguar that I've been fixing up. And here we go, y'all. We're live. And we're live here. And it's taken by y'all.